Have you ever wanted to know how to make red frosting without food coloring? If so, you are in luck, as there is an easy and natural way to make your red frosting with no food coloring. The results will create a beautiful colored frosting that is great for any celebration. The secret to natural colored red frosting is beets. Beets provide a beautiful red coloring to the frosting and other baked goods. It is a safe, all-natural way to create a beautiful coloring that is sure to stand out. What is beet powder? Beet powder is made from ground-up dried beets. Due to the fact it is packed full of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, it is considered a superfood. Beet powder is sold at most nutrition stores and even some grocery stores. It is commonly added to water to make juice. In addition, people also use it in sauces, smoothies, baking, and even as a supplement. Due to its bright red natural coloring, beet powder is great for use as a natural dye. You can add it to batters, doughs, and frostings to create a beautiful red coloring. It is a great alternative to using traditional food coloring. Beet powder has many health benefits as well. It is good for your blood pressure, heart, and is even anti-inflammatory. It is a versatile food that is also sustainable and convenient, making it a great addition to your pantry. What you need to make natural red food coloring for frosting. Ingredients for red frosting: 1 to 2 teaspoons beet powder, 1 to 2 tablespoons water, 1 cup vanilla frosting. For the vanilla frosting, 3 cups powdered sugar, 1/3 cup butter, room temperature, 1½ teaspoons vanilla, 1 to 2 tablespoons milk. All natural frosting step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Using an electric mixer, beat the butter and powdered sugar together at low speed in a large bowl. Add in the vanilla and 1 tablespoon of milk to the mixture. Slowly add in the rest of the milk until the frosting is smooth. If the frosting is too thick, add more milk until it is spreadable. If it is too thin, add in more powdered sugar. Step 2. In a small bowl, whisk together 1 to 2 teaspoons of beet paste with 1 to 2 teaspoons of water. Mixing the powder with water will reduce the chances of clumps forming in the frosting. Step 3. Add 1 cup of frosting to your medium bowl. Then, add the beet paste to the frosting. Use a rubber spatula to thoroughly mix the beet powder into the frosting. If it has not reached your desired shade of red, make more beet paste to add to the frosting. Frost your baked goods with your colored frosting. Serve and enjoy. Tips and tricks. Any leftover frosting should be kept in an airtight container in the fridge. The frosting will last for up to 7 days. When ready to use, you may need to stir the frosting together again. The color may separate from the frosting when it is sitting in the fridge. You can also freeze this frosting as well. Freeze your prepared frosting in an airtight container. Once you want to use it, allow it to thaw overnight in the fridge or at room temperature for 2 hours. Adding the beetroot powder will not change the taste of your frosting. It will still have the delicious taste of vanilla buttercream. However, if you want a darker red, you will have to use a lot of beetroot powder. Be careful when working with beetroot powder, as it may stain clothing or countertops. Be sure to clean up any messes right away to prevent stains from occurring. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.